Okay, so this is my life now, I guess.
Another Friday night, not much to do. The sleepy town is cute, I guess it. You like the view. My phone has got no signal of familiar tragedy. So I'm just sitting here and overthinking me and me. So now I know the name of every single stupid cat. And that cheesy song is stuck in my head. I kinda hate that. My brain is screaming, leave now, telling me I gotta run. Guess my heart is pretty dumb, 'cause it's actually having fun.